Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video, I'll be introducing you guys a great website which I have tested and tried out personally and I have got paid. So this website you can make money by attending surveys. Now this is the website guys, it's called Rakuten Insight. I'll be leaving the link of the site below in the description box. If you are interested, if you want to make money online easily by just attending few surveys, I will leave the link down below. Just join, sign up yourself, register yourself in this website and get paid every month. Now, this is a website. It's a company called Rakuten. I think most of you would have already known about this one. This is a Japanese electronic commerce and online retailing company. So here they have so many branches in this. Like they have so many different websites where one website they will be offering affiliate programs, and this one is uh, about the survey. Like it's just very similar to Swagbucks, but the main difference is you don't have so many options in withdrawing it like Swagbucks. Like in Swagbucks, you can just withdraw your money in PayPal itself, which is very convenient. But here you will be withdrawing it through gift cards or gift vouchers. I'll be explaining you in detail and how you can make money and what are all the ways that you can do it, and we'll be seeing how to withdraw it. I have at this time when the video is releasing, I will be getting 2 times paid from this site. So I can assure you guys that you can even make that 100 rupee withdrawal amount within a week or two. So it's that easy guys, it's fast. And this is how you'll be creating your account. It's just usual way where you will be using either an email address and password to sign up, or you can use your Google account directly. I'll be using the Google account method, which is very convenient for me. If you guys like to have separate password and email address for each and every website, you can do that. Now I have signed up. After signing up, you will be able to see a lot of surveys listed in your open dashboard. So the open is where you will be getting new ones, and closed are the ones you won't be able to attend, which is like over, as it has reached its maximum number of participants. So it's not available now. So the reward history panel is where you will be able to see how much you have got rewarded for the surveys that you have taken. And tabulating is a place where it will show all the current processing surveys that you have attended. This is the survey that I just took, which was around 40 points for one survey. And survey tabulating is showing because a person who actually wants n number of participants to join. Say for example, if the company wants to know the opinion of 1,000 participants and only 500 have taken part, then he will be waiting for the 1,000 people to get over, like 1,000 people to finish off the survey. So it might take from 2 to 8 weeks for everyone to finish it off. And as you guys can see on the screen, point shop is where you will be exchanging your points for the cash vouchers, and exchange history is where you will see the your transaction histories and sort of. Now I'm just trying to attend one survey and I'll show you guys how it goes and everything about all these surveys and Rakuten Insight. We'll see that. Before, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now back to this video. This is how it will be redirecting you to different sites where the person who wants, the company who wants to know about your opinion will be registered in one website and wants to know your opinion. So this will be redirecting, so don't worry about it. You will be just asked a few personal questions about all these things, so that he can know whether you will be a great match for his um, the survey or not. So these are all mostly based upon the the market situation, like to know, understand more about how customers think and how customers react for each product. So I have attended a lot of surveys in this site, and they are mostly based upon a laundry detergent, toothpaste, and more consumer products, and I have also attended a survey based upon chocolates. So it's something like that guys. In this I'll be showing you this survey, which is basically upon some marriage ideas, like how people are thinking about marriage and what type of proposals will they marriage proposals will they accept and something like that. So it's basically upon the social situation that people are facing in India. Like they might know in a wholesome, but still a middle class or a normal living people, a peasant or someone like that will be having a different idea rather than like just grouping up them. So these are all made to just know about how each and every person, like almost a mass number of people, are thinking. Now they will be just asking you a few questions to match yourself for the survey, and if you are a great fit for the survey, you will be redirected to the main survey. And I won't be recording all the part of the survey because it's confidential, so I cannot share it. I'm just showing you the introduction part. I'm not showing you the full part of the survey. After finishing that, your points will be credited back to your Rakuten website. Once you have attained the 100 points, you will be given it back as a gift card voucher. You can exchange it as a gift card voucher. So 1 point is equal to 1 rupee. So when you are ready with 100 points, which is 100 rupees, you will be able to withdraw it to your account. So you can either withdraw it through Paytm or Amazon or Flipkart gift card vouchers. So this is very easy, guys, and the number of surveys available in the site is enormous. Really, guys, I got really wow struck. Like it was really nice. The number of surveys that you get in 1 or 2 days is like it's good, and also the points that are given for each survey is actually nice because you will be getting 30 point, 40 point, 50 point surveys and all, which will just in a second will boost up your number of the points that you have. So it's very easy to withdraw the amount because in a matter of a week or two you'll be able to get that 100 rupees, guys. So in a month you will be able to make around 200 to 300 rupees if you are constantly looking into the board. Like you have to be very quick. When you just get the notification in your mail or message, you should be able to click on to that and attend the survey right away, or else the number of participants might be in a satisfactory level and you won't be qualified for that. So that's all about this, guys. This website is really great. You should try it if you are really interested in making money from the survey sites kind of thing. I have to tell you that this is not going to replace your 9 to 5 job or your main source of income. This is just a side source, guys. It's like a side hustle. So you will be making some amount like 100 or 200 bucks, something like that, from side. So why don't you want, like, why don't you say no for 100 or 200 rupees? Like it's just nice to attend some surveys and help people, and at the same time you'll be getting 100 or 200 rupees. So it's a great option to make money. And about the pay cycle, you will be getting all the gift card vouchers. Say if you are going to attend the gift card voucher from 15th to 30th of month, you will be getting the gift card only in 15th of the next month. Say I have attended the survey on 22nd of July, I will be getting it only during 15th of August or midway of August. If I am attending it in 1st of August or first week of August, the process will take the whole month. So I'll be getting the gift card voucher only at the end of the month around 29 or 30th of August. Now this is the screenshot that I have attached where it shows 104 points. I got this 104 points in a matter of weeks, so I was able to withdraw it, and I just got it as a Paytm card, gift card voucher, 100 rupees. It will send you a confirmation mail with a code, and then once you confirm it, you will be able to withdraw it, guys. It's that easy. So that's all about the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other recommendation, do leave it in the comments below. I will be very happy to make that. And if you have any other queries about this one, you can leave it in the comments as well. So that's all about it, guys. So meet you all in the next video with another great way to make money online. So until then, bye and thank you.